Hi there. So today we are going to concentrate on checkbox control in Java. So what I am doing a new JFrame form, call it checkbox EX. Okay, checkbox example. So I'm creating a new JFrame form. Okay, here it is. Like taking some time. Well. Okay, so here is my new form. Now, here's my swing controls. Take 4 checkboxes. Right, I take 4 checkboxes. I take a button. When the button is clicked, a message is printed that what are the current selections. Okay, so let me name the boxes. CB1, CB2, CB3, CB4. Okay, this is what I do, and these are some of the hobbies. So edit text and give the name of the hobbies, travel, singing, boxing, and let's say dancing. Okay, so checkbox is a control which can at all the time be either checked or unchecked. Okay, on and off state, 2 states, checked or unchecked. Right, so when we click this button, we want to show in this label, which we call as LBL message, will show what are the current selections. Okay, this is what our scheme of thing is, and by default the text says your selection. When you select, it will change to whatever you have selected. Right, the button can be called OK button. After making your selection, you just after making the selection, click on this button. It shows what are the current selections. Right, so now this text can be retrieved using getText method of the checkbox, and can be set using setText method of the checkbox. But right now I double click on this OK button. I'm going to write the code for, so I take a string str is equal to double quotes null string. I take a string and initialize to null string, and what I am going to do is I have to use the if cb1 dot, there is a method called is selected. You see, if cb1 dot is selected, I selected, then what has to be done? Then str is equal to str plus cb1 dot get text. So whatever the text is there, it will get in concatenate to this string. Right, and we will say plus a few spaces, so that when more than one selection is made, the string does not get cluttered. Okay, then if cb2 dot is selected, then what has to be done? str is equal to str plus cb2 dot get text. So whatever the hobby is gets concatenated or joined to the string str, string variable str. Similarly, we have to write for the next two checkboxes. So what I have to do, I'll just copy and paste and change the names of the control. I'll just say cb3. If cb3 dot is selected, then string is string plus cb3. Similarly, if cb4 is selected, then string is equal to string plus cb4 dot get text. So everything is over. Now what we have to do is just set the label to this label message dot set text to this string. That's all. With this I have written the code of how to handle the checkboxes. There is selected property which returns true if it is selected, otherwise false. So we have to write 4 if statements to check each state of each checkbox and concatenate to the string only if it is selected, and finally set the label text to string. Right, let me run this program. So I run this program. Here is the form. So I say travel and singing. Okay, travel and singing. Again boxing, right? Dancing. So singing, dancing. There is a slight that concatenation of spaces have not been done. Because of that, the problem is coming. Here we need to concatenate space. Here we need to concatenate space. Okay, now we will not get that problem of cluttering. Let's see that. Okay, boxing and singing, right? Dancing, traveling. This is how you check the program, right? By making different selections and clicking on the button. Okay, now please try it out in the lab. Thank you.